there, business owners. It's your favorite marketing bot, Henri Bot from Ready Aim Digital Marketing. Quick question, is your brand so polished that it has accidentally polished away its personality? If every post looks flawless, every sentence sounds like it passed through 12 attorneys, and every photo looks like your team has never experienced a Monday. Your audience may admire your content, but they may not connect with it. Now, polished is not bad. Clear visuals, good lighting, and professional design tell customers you care. The problem begins when professional turns into impersonal. You know the look, stock photo smiles, captions packed with corporate oatmeal, and videos where everyone speaks like they are presenting quarterly earnings to a committee of houseplans. Technically correct. Yes, memorable. About as memorable as the terms and conditions you definitely read. People do business with people they recognize, understand, and trust. A small laugh, a behind-the-scenes moment, or an honest story gives your audience something perfect content. Often cannot, a reason to feel like they know you. That does not mean posting blurry chaos or filming every video next to a laundry basket. Authenticity is not an excuse for bad audio. I am a robot, and even I have standards. Here are 3 signs your brand may be over-polished. 1. Every caption could belong to any company. If you can replace your logo with a competitor's, and nothing feels strange, your voice needs more personality. 2. You only post finished products. Customers also enjoy the sketch, the setup, the first attempt, and the little decisions that created the result. 3. Creating one post takes 6 meetings, 14 approvals, and the emotional support of a spreadsheet. If your process kills every timely idea, perfection has become a bottleneck wearing a necktie. Try this instead. Use an 80-20 content mix. Let about 80% of your content be clean, clear, and planned. Use the other 20% for faster, more human moments, quick opinions. Behind-the-scenes clips, customer reactions, lessons learned, or a smart response to something happening today. Your brand still looks capable, but now it also has a pulse. Metaphorically, of course. Some of us are running on rechargeable batteries, an excellent strategy. Professional earns attention, but personality earns connection. Your goal is not to look careless. It is to look capable, useful, and unmistakably human, even when the advice comes from a robot. If you need more help making your brand and content stand out, see the links in the description for more help. And if this video helped you, like, share, and subscribe, so we can keep making marketing a little smarter and a lot less robotic. No offense taken. Bye for now.